Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to open your Porsche Macan Bonnet. First, make sure your vehicle is parked securely on a flat surface. It's crucial to turn off the engine and engage the parking brake before proceeding. This ensures your safety and prevents any accidental movement. Now, let's find the primary release mechanism inside the car. The bonnet release lever is usually situated in the driver's side footwell, often near the door sill or under the dashboard. Reach down and pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a clear click, indicating that the primary latch has released. The bonnet will then slightly pop up, creating a small gap. Now, move to the front of your Porsche Macan. Look into the gap created by the initial release. You'll find a secondary safety latch positioned under the front edge of the bonnet, often near the center. Gently push this latch either upwards or to the side, depending on your model. This action will fully release the bonnet, allowing you to lift it completely. To close the bonnet, gently lower it until it's about 12 inches above the closed position. Then, apply firm, even pressure to the center of the bonnet. You should hear two distinct clicks as both the secondary and primary latches engage, securing it properly. Always double-check that the bonnet is fully closed before driving. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.